Hey dolls, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and we're back with another makeup video. Okay, I threw this wig back on. I just am having difficulties with the curls. I don't know, I just curled it and I thought it was gonna come out the way I wanted it to come out, but I guess it's designed a certain way, so I don't know. I will try to get into it, so if y'all want to see how cheap this look, keep on watching. I did my brows off camera as far as molding them and basically shaping them. This is how they look. And I'm about to do I'm going to take my SACHA Buttercup setting powder in light, and I am about to powder these brows down, baby. I don't know if I want to go for something like soft because this look is really, and then I did a bold look with this look, so I might do something soft. This look, I mean this, why I keep saying this look, girl, get it together. This wig is red and it's like, you know, bold. My BROWTIFUL MOCHACHINO. Been doing this lately with my brows. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this brow stylist definer, the lightest one, and I'm gonna go off in the front with this. That's done. I'm about to go ahead and conceal these brows off camera so we get right into that look. The concealers I'm going to use are the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn, and also this Ultra Creamy Concealer in the shade Tan Sand. Okay, y'all, so my brows are done. I just gotta figure out what I'm about to do. So now I'm about to go ahead and take my PLOUISE base in Rumor Number 2. Also mix it with some of my base. These two palettes that I'm gonna go in with, we're gonna do the transition brown, and then we're gonna cut it, and we're gonna go ahead and take, we're going with this shade right here. I'm taking this and I'm packing this on, y'all. 778 from Delium Tools, and I'm packing it on. It's like a real fluffy brush, okay? Real fluffy brush. And I just love packing on with this. Now, like I explain all the time, you don't have to go on with a shader brush, but I just love to. It just suits me. I love going in with a flat shader brush. Alright, so the two colors that I am going in with, I have to finish this eye, are these two right here. My 39A palette. As y'all can see, I love me some brown. However, let's get to cutting. So I'm gonna cut with Vaseline. And cleaned it up, and I also use this micellar water to clean up my crease furthermore. Now I'm going to take my liners, y'all. I'm going to take this one in red. So I'm like, where is it? Okay, now liner brush that I'm using is a 620, and this is from JUVIA. How it started out. I'm about to add some powder to my lid. The two shadows that I was using for my transition, and we are about to blend this in. Okay, so I'm taking the brown. Go ahead and I'm going to take white diamond and I'm gonna put this right top of the nude part. Alright, y'all, so I already added the diamonds. I want to recreate something like almost like Beats by Deb, how she had the diamonds wing liner. Some of the rhinestones are not the same. So I'll be trying to fill it in. I think I'm gonna just do that on camera. I'm coming back. Okay, so y'all, I'm putting on my lashes. These 28mm lashes. I don't know if I was gonna sell these, so I just used them. Okay, then it's for face. I'll get some to take some witch hazel. Why is this there? I had this called the light primer. I don't think it's gonna work for pores, but I did put it in my pore area. Then I'm gonna take my Milk Hydro primer. So I'm gonna speed this up because y'all seen the face already. This is the concealer method. For foundation, I'm going to take a new Caledonia and MOCHA and a Sheer Glow foundation. I'm gonna take creamy concealer. Okay, y'all, so this is how my face is looking. I gotta fix this wing right here because it just keep coming down. I'm gonna smudge red underneath, and this is called Flaming Hot. Not Flaming, it's called Flaming Hot. In my eyeshadow palette, so I'm just gonna stamp this red. I think I'm going with this like pinky or coral shade, my bad. Right there. Okay, we're gonna take we're gonna take this one. This is the Ultimate Eye Code, and we want to alright, so I'm taking Sending News. I was gonna take my favorite. This is my transition. KHOL. Let's look at the plate. Y'all know I'm gonna add gloss. And I'm about to add my gloss. Like, I'm pretty sure I have a name for it. I just don't have it with me at the moment. I'm gonna put clear gloss right on top of the brow. The combos be insane. And that's how you do face. Okay, so I'm gonna add these diamonds off camera. This is it for the look besides me adding highlight to the tip of my nose, which I'm about to do. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to take these curls out. Yeah, fast mode. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that y'all enjoyed. Don't forget this video a big thumbs up, and I'm gonna see y'all on my next tutorial.